Yes, so I don bring another ogbonge and legitimate informate for you, my correct person. See, the president of the senate wey be Senator Godswill Akpabio, im don dey yarn give im Muslim colleagues and other Nigerians say make dem no allow religion e divide dem at all. Im come dey yarn say no be by mistake, no be by coincidence say Christians now with their Easter and Muslims with Ramadan e come the same time. As in, e come dey celebrate am the same time for inside this year because e never happen before. So make dem no let their religion now e come bring them apart or e come bring quarrel between them for inside the senate. You understand? So my correct people, the story e no end there. But before I proceed on to the matter, I want first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside the channel they like give you ogbonge and legitimate info on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as you dey bring the news dey come, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp. Anyhow the cocoa be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct people, back to the cocoa of the hour. You see, Godswill Akpabio now will be the president of the senate. In yarn this one on Easter Monday evening like that, when in the do in iftar will be breaking of fast with im Muslim colleagues them. For inside one statement yesterday now from media office, the president of the senate will be Godswill Akpabio. In con the yarn say of a truth, Muslims and Christians na different religion normally, but na the same supreme God now they serve. So therefore, make the thing no come go bring katakata or make it no cause fight between them. He consider here normal correct people. He say he want to congratulate all of them as they break their fast, and he can thank the Almighty Allah will keep them alive to see the day. And he can pray say Allah go continue to dey protect them and still continue to dey look after their health, look after their families too through the Ramadan period. And also he can use the opportunity to congratulate all the senators them on Easter celebration. My correct person, you know the wonderful thing about this kokoso on the occasion where the senate president Godswill Akpabio dey yarn all this one Christian senator, as in senators will be Christian too, dem still plaster. That is to say, them dey live and direct with Muslim senators them as they break their fast. But the koko no end there, my correct people. The senate president will be Godswill Akpabio in cause the yarn he say like this now no be coincident at all. Say God now they merge the fasting of Muslims and Christians together. Say this one now na about the second or the third time when it don't happen. No be small koko, my correct people. In consider yarn say the intention na to show say we fit get different religions, but we get only one God, and that God na supreme God. We be say in dey look after all of us. So now so the matter be like my correct person. Godswill Akpabio now will be the senate president. He don't come and the con yarn say make we no allow religion separate us at all. So my correct person, how you see this matter? Because as I'm talking to you right now, many of our country people, they para well, no get joy. They say like this now, say they don't already divide to make Godswill Akpabio making stop to the talk. Wetin he no sabi. Say like this now, say the North na country of his own. Say they get their own rules, they get their own laws. For example, say Hausa na their official language, while English na the rest of the country language. He say they get Sharia and they get Hizbah police and every other things them. So it get as it be. Why some of our country people come the yarn say politicians they know they in the right sense and place they come they tell religion leaders and people wetin they go do and wetin they no go do about religion. Why some of our country people come the yarn say now even the politicians self now they divide them say make everybody just separate, make everybody just get peace one time. But my correct people, whether the senate president will be Godswill Akpabio in get motive as in take come as I come the yarn this one, or in just come talk am with in plain church mind, we no know. But what do we know before we say violence is no good? Because say somebody na Christian, because say somebody na Muslim, you know me say we can't hate them. You understand? All of us now supposed to live as one. Just as the senate president will be Godswill Akpabio take yarn, say na the same God na the two religions they serve. Muslims so Allah, Christians so God. Na the same supreme God wey dey stay look after all of us. So make we try to dey align kwanu. Meanwhile, my correct people, the cocoa e never finish because it's plenty. For inside Abuja now a coalition of civil society organizations where most people know as CSOs them, where they led by the Network Against Corruption and Trafficking Initiative, wey be NACAT. They don dey urge the House of Representatives Committee on Public Petitions say make they accelerate their efforts them. That is to say, make they do sharp when it comes to addressing petitions against public officials wey they don indict. The CSOs now will be civil society organizations. They can't express their concern sake of the delayed response to petitions, especially alleged financial infrastructures committed by people wey dey hold public office. These infrastructures now e dey include money laundering, corruption, abuse of office and false asset declarations dem. All these ones my correct people e dey happen for inside Abuja on Tuesday, and the person wey dey yarn am na the group director on public relations wey be Nuruddin, and he come still dey yarn say e dey very very important to restore public trust and confidence on the government, and to do this one say they need to dey sharp dey address allegations of misconduct and financial mago-mago. The coalition now come dey underscore the vital role of the House Committee on Public Petitions and to ensure justice and fairness as they dey handle these cases dem. They come dey urge the committee members to say make dem remain steadfast, that is to say make dem gallant, make dem no shake at all for inside their duties, and make dem prioritize the resolution of petitions against public officials wey dem don indict. Nuruddin come still dey yarn my correct people. He say like this now they don submit all the petitions to the committee and they don receive information say the committee don summon all the parties dem wey dem indict, and he come still dey urge the committee say make dem follow this matter up diligently, make dem address these issues dem wella. So the CSOs now come dey call on the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him try build on him administration's commitment to integrity and governance accountability by supporting legislative efforts dem to tackle the corrupt activities wey dey undermine the government's reformative hope. That is to say our president now, if he want make sure say this in renewed hope wey him promise the thing come to pass, make him make sure say him support legislative effort as they dey try tackle corrupt activities for inside the government. Can I shock you my correct person? Nuruddin bin don yarn before say dem get evidence of financial crimes by past state governors dem and other public officials from 2011 to 2023, and he say they go forward all the evidence go give anti-corruption agencies dem after they don finish their audit and final investigation. No be small koko my correct people. How you see this matter? Normally this kind news no be the one wey dey sweet country people belle, because our country people no wan hear am with ear say politicians dem thief national money, or dem thief country people their money, or dem thief money wey be say dem suppose to use for the betterment of the country and for the betterment of everybody wey dey inside the country. Dem one politician or two politicians go come embezzle all of them. E no make sense at all. When our country people dem hear this one, they say even the anti-corruption agency say wey Nuruddin dem wan carry the evidence go give, those ones too, if care is not taken, they don already buy them. Those ones sef dey still dey feed from the embezzlement money. That is to say e no go just get head, they go just do initial gra after some time they go just close mouth based on say they don already settle all of them. So e no really make sense. Some of them come dey yarn say you see that thing wey dey talk now, say our country politicians all of them they don sour finish, they no get better principle, all of them na mago just full their head. Wetin dem dey think about na how to embezzle money for their own benefit. Say they no dey think about the welfare or affair of the people, na only themselves na dey think. Na so we dey one day we come dey hear say snake don thief money for inside Aso Rock. Maybe one day we fit still hear again say spider don still thief the 2024 budget money. E no make sense at all. All this kind mago which time wey e wan end? My correct person, anyhow the koko be for body feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say this na Anointed Lady TV. We all dey like give you ogbonge and legitimate news wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey come with the news, my correct person, you dey get the update sharp. And make you try to share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go get update on wetin dey sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring other news for you my correct person. No go anywhere.